Your AI infrastructure bill might be 4 times higher than it needs to be. That is the implication of a post that dominated X on June 29th, and it is one of 3 stories engineers were watching closely in the last 24 hours. Let us get into them. The first comes from Abderronen, who shared the results of a 30-day experiment replacing Western AI models with Chinese alternatives across a full production stack. The models in question include Kimi, Qwen, GLM, MiMo, Qwen, and Kling, covering reasoning, code generation, agent tasks, image work, and video. The reported outcome is an 87% reduction in cost, with what Abderronen describes as minimal quality drop. A full routing playbook is promised alongside the post. Now, this is a self-reported experiment, not an independent benchmark. The 87% figure has not been externally verified at time of recording, but the discussion it has generated on X is substantial, and the underlying concept is worth understanding regardless of the exact number. Model routing is the practice of directing each task to the cheapest model that meets a defined quality threshold, rather than sending every API call to a single flagship model. If you are running high-volume agent pipelines, the cost difference between a top-tier Western model and a capable Chinese alternative on a per-token basis can be significant. The engineering question is not whether cheaper models exist, they clearly do, but whether you have the routing logic in place to use them selectively. Abderronen is claiming that logic is buildable and that the savings are real. For teams under cost pressure, this is worth examining closely. The second story is more operational. AetherLink posted an update on June 29th regarding OpenAI Codex usage limits. The post details bugs in auto review and sub-agent behavior that were causing usage quotas to drain faster than expected, in some cases significantly faster. OpenAI responded by resetting limits, deploying hotfixes, and crediting affected users with an additional reset. This matters beyond the immediate fix. The core issue here is observability. When sub-agents or background processes consume API quota without surfacing clear signals to the engineer running the system, you lose visibility into your burn rate in a production environment. That kind of silent drain can cause unexpected service interruptions at the worst possible moment. The fact that this bug existed in Codex, a tool increasingly used for agentic coding workflows, is a reminder that quota transparency is not a nice-to-have. It is a reliability requirement. If you are running Codex in any kind of automated or agent-driven pipeline, the lesson from this incident is to instrument your usage reporting before you need it, not after. The third story is a product launch. As OpenClaw announced on June 29th that native iOS and Android apps are now available, bringing their agent platform to mobile. According to the post, users can now run agents, channels, tasks, and replies directly from their phones through the App Store and Play Store. The significance here is less about the specific product and more about the direction of travel. Moving agent interfaces to mobile changes the interaction model. Desktop-bound agent dashboards assume the engineer is at a workstation. Mobile native access assumes agents are running continuously, and the human needs to monitor and direct them from wherever they are. For teams where agents handle async workloads, processing, reviewing, responding, the ability to manage that from a phone is a meaningful shift in operational surface area. It also lowers the barrier for non-technical stakeholders to interact with agent-driven products, which has its own implications for how these tools get adopted inside organizations. To bring it together, 3 distinct signals from the last 24 hours, each pointing at a different layer of the AI engineering stack. Yes, and at the cost layer, Abderronen is reporting that Chinese LLM routing can dramatically reduce spend, worth investigating with your own workloads. At the reliability layer, the Codex quota incident reported by AetherLink is a concrete reminder to instrument your usage before bugs surface it for you. And at the interface layer, OpenClaw's mobile launch reflects a broader push to make agent access persistent and ambient rather than session-based. None of these are hype. They are engineering decisions with real trade-offs. That is what we are here to help you think through. If this was useful, subscribe for daily coverage. Links to all sources and to AetherLink are in the description below.